Welcome back, Pure Structure Traders, for another market analysis for the London session. Today is February 23rd, 2021 here in Hawaii, and also is going to be February 24th, 2021 in London. Today we'll be going over S&P 500 and also gold, give you guys some levels for the London session and potentially into the US session. So let's go ahead and hop into it. Here we're going to look at S&P 500 on a little bit of a bigger scale for you guys. You can see some support coming in here at 38.66 even, and maybe another level right around 38.58.75. That's our first areas of support. Now we do want to see the market come into those levels and bounce off with that support coming right up in there and then pushing right back into those 89 to 90s and potentially above that to 98.25. Now, if the market gets below 58.75, that's going to be an opportunity for me to look for a move back to the downside of 42.50. Then underneath, we got some support right around these 31 to 32s. Right here, I kind of highlighted right around 30 even. And then 38.16.75 and 38.08 is my next levels of support underneath. Now, if we do get through this level of resistance at 98 to right around 3900, we could see the market come back, pull back. If it continues to hold a higher low, we are going to look for the market to try to push back into those 19s and then above that into 35. So we'll see if we get that. Let's take a look at a smaller chart here on S&P for you guys. You can see again we are holding some slight support here. We are looking for this market to get back right around these 86s as a level of support and then see if we can bounce from there. We are in sideways movement right now. You can see consolidational movement here. Again, level of resistance 91.50, level of support 66. I mean 80. Yeah, I'm sorry, 38.66 and 38.58.75 underneath. Sorry, I said 86 before, but it is that 38.66 as support first, and then underneath that 58.75 as another level. So again, we are going to be looking for that market to try to bring that price right back into that support and get this nice support coming off that level to try to retest the upside. Again, underneath that 58.75, we're going to look for some resistance and then try to pull down from there. Let's go ahead and take a look at gold here, give you guys some trade levels that we're going to look at for the London session. We are underneath a key level of resistance that I wanted to see. We did break above that, do a nice little bit of a double top here, and then pull right back underneath. So if we continue to hold this level, we could see the market try to drift right into these 04s and then 1799.7 as a level of support underneath. Underneath that, 1794.4, 91.9, and then 86.1 is my next levels. Now, if we hold this level of support right here, we actually could see the market try to break to the upside. So we'll see if that happens. You can see a nice level of resistance that's sat right there at 1812.7. I am looking for the market, if we do hold support, to break through that 12 and then pull up into those 19s. So that's what we're going to look for on gold. Let's take a look at a smaller chart here real quickly. So again, you can see this market holding that support right here on gold. And we do want to see this market come right into this area and try to push back to the upside from here. So we'll see if we get that support underneath these 07s. Going to come down into these 1804.5s as another level. See if we can catch some support there. But if we do hold underneath these 07s, we could actually see a potential move back to the downside. So you could see either we're going to hold the support here at 1804, but if we come back against this level of 07 and fail to get above that, we could see an opportunity back to the downside. So we'll see if that happens here on gold for the London session. But underneath that level of support, again, 1799.7 and some other ones here, 94, 91.9. Resistance above for now, target is going to be 1819.2. That's my level. But that is it for S&P 500 and also gold. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If you guys did, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. And if you guys are subscribed and you do watch these videos, really appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. You guys take care. Have a great night.